Prior purchase requisition. Once a purchase requisition is approved, the next step is to confirm the order details before final approval. This ensures that all specifications, quantities, and pricing are accurate before placing the order. For example, finalizing the printer's specifications and quantity before proceeding with the purchase. Adding a prior purchase requisition. Select Add Prior Purchase. This option allows you to begin confirming the order details. Select Supplier and Item. Upon selecting the supplier name and item, the system will auto-fetch the relevant details from the previously approved purchase requisition. The following details will be auto-populated: supplier name, item code, unit of measure, part number,
quantity,
price, GST tax %, packing and forwarding, PNF,
discount %,
supplier code. Enter additional information. Manually enter the following details:
date,
branch, select from the available options. HOD, head of department. Indent reference number. Remarks. Indenter, the person responsible for the requisition. Add freight and payment details. Enter details such as freight charges, delivery details, payment terms, warranty information, packing and forwarding, PNF, %. Save the prior purchase requisition. Once all information is entered, click Save to confirm the requisition before final approval. The entry will now be displayed in the View page, where you can review it. If necessary, you will also have the option to delete the record. Prior purchase approval. This step is dedicated to approving prior purchase requisitions. Disapprovals are not allowed at this stage. For example, once the finalized printer requisition is reviewed, it can be confirmed for ordering. Viewing prior purchase approvals. On the main page, you will see a list of all prior purchase approvals awaiting confirmation. Each entry will include the following details: branch, the branch where the purchase is being made. Type, the type of purchase, example regular, urgent. Prior purchase number, a unique reference number for the requisition. Date, the date when the requisition was created. Supplier, the supplier associated with the requisition. Supplier name, the full name of the supplier. Value, the total value of the requisition. Approval process. After reviewing the requisition details, you will have the option to approve the requisition. Only the Approve option is available. No disapprovals are permitted at this stage. Clicking the Approve button will finalize the requisition for purchasing. Action after approval. Once approved, the requisition will move to the next stage, typically purchase order generation. The approval status will be updated accordingly. This process ensures that only verified and approved requisitions proceed to the purchasing stage, preventing errors and delays. Prior purchase final approval. This is the last step in the approval process, where a requisition can be either approved or disapproved before finalizing the purchase. For example, if the printer specifications are incorrect, the request can be rejected at this stage. Viewing prior purchase final approvals. On the main page, you will see a list of all prior purchase final approvals waiting for confirmation. Each entry will display the following details: branch, the branch where the purchase is intended. Type, the type of purchase, regular, emergency. PR number, the unique purchase requisition number. Date, the date when the requisition was created. Supplier code, the unique code of the supplier. Supplier name, the full name of the supplier. Value, the total value of the requisition. Approval and disapproval process. For each requisition, you will have the following options. White heavy checkmark approve. Clicking the Approve button will confirm the requisition and proceed to finalize the purchase order. Crossmark Disapprove. Clicking the Disapprove button will reject the requisition and no further actions will be taken. Action after approval or disapproval. After approval, the requisition moves forward to the purchase order generation stage. Purchase order. The purchase order, PO, is created after a purchase requisition is approved, serving as a formal document sent to suppliers to proceed with the purchase. Key steps to create a purchase order. Initiate a new PO. Click Add New to start the PO creation process. Select Supplier from the list, which redirects to the purchase order. Add page. And select the supplier. Auto-fetch supplier and PO details. Once the supplier is selected, the system automatically fetches the following details: supplier code and name. PO number, automatically generated. Supplier address, address line 1 and line 2. Add item and pricing details. For each selected item, the following information is displayed, auto-fetched. Item code and description, fetched from Inventory Master. UOM, unit of measurement. Example, box, ton, packet. Quantity, quantity required. User input. Stock quantity, auto-displayed from inventory. Price, auto-fetched. GST percent, auto-fetched. Packing and forwarding, PNF, percent, auto-fetched. Discount percent, auto-fetched. Additional PO details, manual entry required. Transport details, specify transport service. Price basis, per unit, per batch, etc. Your reference number, internal tracking. Our reference number, company's order reference. Our reference date, order date. Update and calculate total. Click Update to save all entered details. The total value is automatically calculated based on quantity, price, GST, and discounts. And then you can save, view, and print PO. Saved PO details appear on the main page. View full PO details anytime. Here is the View page. Click Print to generate a physical copy for records or supplier communication. IT includes all relevant information.